Welcome everyone to the card kit reveal and inspiration for our card kit called Graceful Flowers. This is a beautiful card kit full of gorgeous 6x6 papers, delicate illustrated floral stamps, and other items we think you'll appreciate. I'll start the walkthrough with the 6x8 stamp set, and this is called Graceful Flowers. What you'll notice first is this long swag stamp that follows that whole length of the stamp set. There's also some individual flowers and leaves if you wanted to do some layering on your swag or use them as individuals. The greetings on this set are done in a fine script, and they say, "Here's to a new chapter." Also, "The world needs more people like you." Sending love and hugs. Also, "You're amazing. Love you. You got this." And then on the side, when you turn it, it says, "Thinking of you," and also "Wishing you the best." We're also including the new Simon Says Stamp Blossom Swag Embossing folder, and this is a gorgeous folder. It has that 3D effect, so it gives you that really deep etching of the design. Love how this one goes in a circle, so you could put some messages in the center. And embossing folders are really easy to use. All you need to do is open them up, slide your paper in, and make sure you have it arranged right. Close that, and then run that through your die cut machine with the preferred sandwich for 3D folders. Also in this kit is the Simon Says Stamp die set, and this is beautiful buttercup dies. It's a one-piece die, but it cuts out two different flowers. So they are the size on the package. And once you color those with color blending and then you stack and layer them together, they're almost realistic. So these are super cute to add to your cards, and you can color them whatever color you'd like. Also included in the kit is the Simon Says Stamp Positively Perfect microfiber cleaning cloth. This cloth is 11 by 11 and it has that soft microfiber. It's also lint-free and won't leave behind fibers. The size is perfect for easy cleanup. You can clean up glitters and powders, and it's also very soft and it doesn't stick to your fingers like most microfiber cloths. It has that cute little Simon Says Stamp tab that you can put on your ring clip along with your other tools. This is perfect to use with our Ultra Clean Spray to clean your stamps, and that black color won't show the dirty ink. We're also including a yard of the May Arts white ribbon. This can be colored with your distress stains or also the included Tim Holtz Distress Spritzes. You'll get picked raspberry, fossilized amber, and peacock feathers all in this kit. And these are perfect for spraying your background papers to create some really unique effects, or also splattering for some iridescent droplets. To use the spritz on the ribbon, I'm just going to lay that ribbon out and also shake up the spritz, and you can see on the side to make sure that it's really well mixed. I'm going to lay down a piece of paper towel on top, and I'm only going to spritz a portion at first. Now you can just spray on a light coat, or you can also go back over and darken that up a bit. You can air dry this or use your heat tool to set it. And I do like to clean that applicator lid with a paper towel or a baby wipe before storing it away. And once this has dried, you have that beautiful color and sheen, especially when you turn it to the light, and it won't rub off to the touch, so you can add these to your cards and projects. You'll also get a sheet of the black adhesive foam squares, and these are really great because that foam is black, perfect for using on your darker projects. They will either be in a 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch, and the thicknesses of 0.04 or 0.08 inch will vary by kit. We have 6 sheets of gorgeous paper, so we have a blue background with finely illustrated flowers on the front and a light blue pattern on the back side. The next one has an ombre background, which is full of flowers and vines, and then on the back side there's stripes in pink and white. The next sheet has a really beautiful blue background with some large pastel flowers with leaves, and on the back side is stripes of blue and white. And this next one has some really beautiful flowers that you could cut out and add to a great background with a small pattern of pink on the back. This one includes some purple and blues and white flowers, And on the back side is a pattern of wide purple and white stripes. And this final one is almost tropical with those greens, blues, and whites, and it has a yellow pattern on the back side. So these are by Paper Rose. It's their Botanical Blooms collection. We have a couple card bases for you. We have the Simon Says Stamp New Black A2 card, and it's a 100-pound cardstock. Also pair that up with your black 3D foam squares and you won't see any of that white from behind. We have an A7 card for you, and this will go really well with that large stamp on that stamp set. A lot of people are moving towards the A7s for a larger format, and we're also including an A7 cotton candy envelope, and that does have that no lick 'em to stick 'em adhesive. You'll also receive a couple sheets of Simon Says Stamp cardstock in 100 pounds. We have sea glass and lavender. And also a sheet of watercolor paper. This is 118 pounds, and it does have a rough side and a smooth side, depending on how you like the surface for your watercolors. So that's it for the reveal of our Graceful Flowers card kit. Up next, I have an add-on that I'd like to share with you. This is the coordinating dies. These are sold separately, but they're available now for purchase. Our designers have been busy working on samples for you, and this first one is by Tina Smith, where she stamped and watercolored that swag and set it over a peekaboo of a heart with some pattern paper underneath, with her message on top. Beth Opal stamped her swag and colored it to match her background paper, and added a strip of color cardstock with her message to match. Susan Opal used a portion of her background paper and then die cut those buttercup dies and colored them to match everything with her message on top. And finally, Susie Plantamera did some amazing no-line watercoloring with watercolor pencils to create her slimline card with her message at the top. I hope you've enjoyed our reveal and inspiration for our Graceful Flowers card kit. I do have some links for you below in the description box to include our monthly subscription. Also, how you can purchase this kit along with individual links on some of the product that I've shown, as well as the coordinating die set. Be sure to check out our blog post link for additional inspiration, and as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.